Good morning, everybody. I am going to review the book The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The writer of this book is Stephen Richards Covey. Date of publication 15 August 1989. Publisher Free Press. Total pages 379. Genre Self-Help Book. This book was published 31 years ago, but its teaching, application and practicability is valid till today. 7 habits which are discussed in this book are: number 1, be proactive. Number 2, begin with the end in mind. Number 3, put first thing first. Number 4, think win-win. Number 5, seek first to understand and then to be understood. Number 6, synergize. Number 7, sharpen the sword. Let us discuss those 7 habits one by one. Number 1 habit, be proactive. Proactive means controlling a situation by making things happen rather than waiting for things to happen and then reacting to them. The writer suggested to focus only on events that are within your control and not worrying about things that you cannot change. Habit number 2, begin with the end in mind. The second habit teaches you to plan your goals properly. Habit number 3, put first thing first. Habit 3 teaches how to give priority to different important things. It cuts out needless work or at least puts it off until it is absolutely necessary. This habit not only teaches you to manage your time but also teaches you how to manage yourself. Habit number 4, think win-win. If you are able to develop the habits that lead to personal victory, you learn how to create a winning situation for yourself. Habit number 5, seek first to understand then to be understood. Covey says that the value of listening is very important because it allows you to gather real data. Habit number 6, synergize. If you have a bigger network of effective people working on a problem, you are more likely to come up with a creative solution. Last habit, that is habit number 7, sharpen the saw. This habit is considered as self-renewal, and this is the habit that makes everything possible. This is an excellent life-changing personal development book. One should read it to learn and understand those habits. Thank you.